Hey guys, NC-Laxer1 here. This is we made a tubing hill on our driveway. It's pretty sick. This Blizzard, Nemo, whatever it's called, came to us. We set up this awesome area here. Our tubing track starts right here. You go down. This is where you check in. The guy, yeah, it's kind of stupid, but whatever. You go down that little hill right there. I'll show you. My sister will show you. And then these are our chairs. You can sit to wait. And this is our walkway all the way down. All right, here she goes. All right, now it's my turn. All right, bring it up. Yeah, so this is the tubing track. It's kind of sick, if I say so myself, man. I mean, we just made it, like, we've been on it for like 4 hours straight. And we have this little hill over there. It's sick. Go up, jump it. Blizzard Storm Nemo, just love it. Yeah, so then, yeah, so this is our thing. You'll see it in real action. And update on my hermit crabs, Captain America is alive. Just wanted to tell you. Yep, so here we go. Here's an overview of the chairs. There you go. So you sit, armrests, like that. Yeah. All right, let's go. Some real action. My sister's gonna push me since I do have the camera. Yes, of course. We popped the hole in it already. Just stupid. My sister did it. My other sister. But we'll see if it works. Here we go. New York Yankees, yeah, buddy. Let's see it. Go slow a little bit. Here we go. Oh, flipping, flipping. Oh, yes. All right, thank you.